Kia ora, welcome to my happy place. If you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment so I know that you've been, don't be shy, and please enjoy. I've come on to do another pack of sticks, and let's hope that the sticks are kind to us today. Twirl around. And I'm going to start with that orange one, finger paint. Okay, well, I've got some metallic things here that are kids' paints that are going a little bit thick, so I think I'll put some of this down and finger paint with this. They're pretty paints, but very hard to get out of the container. I need a cloth to wipe my should really have got a wet wipe. It would have made pretty colours on it. My husband's having a lay down, so I thought, oh well, I'll come up and do another video. Alright. Wrap them round. Really quite pretty metallic-y paints, but they're a little bit translucent, but see how it's white down there. Don't want too much to be going over the other side. At least I get to put some colour on it first off this time. Just had a text from my daughter a while ago, my youngest daughter. She was doing a 10k race today, and she did it in an hour and 9 minutes, so she was pleased with that. And then they went off to a tattoo expo, and she's come home with a new tattoo, I believe. Haven't seen it yet, but just to add some more yellow in here, I think. Turns into a nice green. Right, I'll just give this a bit of a dry off, I think. Right, it's dry. So, let's have a look. And where is my book? I don't write that down, I'll be on trouble. Finger paint. Right, okay. Red. Edge strips of paper. Oh, I've got a box of bits and pieces right by me that I was just adding bits of paper into, so I'll just give them a cut up. Let's see how we go. Right, some longer bits here. Right. What else have we got? Book pages might be alright. Right, there we go. Right, now I think we will just glue stick these down. You don't know what you're going to do until you get to put it on the page, and then you think, oh, border might be nice. You down there. Right. Cloth to wipe my fingers with. We went to Rotorua, our closest town, 3 days in a row last week, and we're off there again tomorrow to take my sister who lives with us to the airport, because she's going down to a sister who's just been up for a couple of weeks holiday. So we're back to the airport. Back to the Rotorua tomorrow, so hopefully I might be able to go shopping and spend my birthday money. Well, I didn't tell you when I said that I had got what I got for my birthday, that my husband bought me a new phone, a Galaxy S9. So I'm pretty rapt about that. Down. trouble with glue sticks. You get very sticky fingers. Alright, let's see what I've got here. Right, is that big enough? No. Not long enough. Getting a right mess here. Right, I'll just get those out of the road. And the right one. I'll give this a bit of a wipe off here so that it doesn't stay sticky. Right, I might put a few of these little coloured bits down as well, just to add some interest, as we don't know what we're going to get. Which is always a bit of fun with this. These are bits of what do you call it? Forgotten now. That I made the flowers out of Tyvek. So I don't want to waste anything. Right, we'll put some bits of paper now, we'll put those back in there. Now to the road. Give my fingers another wipe off. Right. This right down my ad strips of paper. Right, blue, add acrylic paint. Well, it doesn't say how to add acrylic paint, so I think I'm going to get a stencil out and go back to the paper, the paint that I've got, and just rub it through a stencil. See how that goes. Not too bad. Some blue down here. Yellow there, which looks green, but that's okay. I quite like that. Some more up here. Oops, it won't show up on the paint. Oh yes it does, because it's got a bit grubby now, so yep, I quite like that. Put more in there, and I think that'll do. That's that done. Right, what's that going to have? Yellow. Whoops. Yellow. Add splatters or drips. Now, what are we going to do? I might just add some black splatters if I can get it. Oops, far too much. The story of my life, this is. Right. What I will do is scoop a little bit of that over there. And find a brush to do some splattering with. Right. We have black splatters on there. Get out of the road and dry off. Alright, that's done. Now, for number 5, we will have a green. Add a border to at least one side. Right, we've added a border, so let's see what we are going to do. I'll just do a little bit of right. We've added a border. Add border to at least one side. Right, that's 5 done. Right, so I'll just move those out of the road because I've written them down. So. Right, we will now have a purple. Add a border. Oh. Right. Right, add border. Right, we've done that. Right, now we'll go back to our, I think we started with a red. Add sparkle. brush. Right, I really need some new brushes. Very hard to add sparkles when there's not a lot. What sparkles we are adding. Oops. That's better. That's better. Let's add a bit of sparkle around our paper. Right. And give this a dry off. Alright, let's add sparkle. No, just bring your arc there. Don't know whether you can see that or not. Just got sparkle. That's basically what it's looking like. Alright, now bring that down again so you can see what I'm doing. Oh, excuse me. Put a lid on my glue stick before it gets mucky. Right, now, red. What do we do next? I think we did orange next. Collage a piece of napkin down. Right. Let's see what we've got here. Got a little bit of napkins that are just leftovers that I just stick into a basket, and I'll just give these a trim around some of these. Right, now where's my glue? Put that out of the road. That dry, I want my glue stick, which is here. Just wipe it off. Right. These are little bits of hearts. Oh, this one's a bit ripped. Oh well, never mind. Right, one more bit here. I'm just going to put down here. Oops. Yeah, that is our napkins put down. Right, write that down. Large napkin. Right, that's number 8. Now what do we want? A green. Can't be 8. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I guess. Add an image with a homemade stamp. We will find a Stampede. It wasn't even the one that I was going to use. There we go. Right, blue is our last one. Right, what do we reckon we're going to get? Add magazine picture. Right. Now, I was just quite lucky about that because I was playing with magazine pictures just a while ago to get put into Big Bear, and I had this cat was on the front of a magazine, so I thought, oh, I'll just have a cat or something, and I couldn't find a cat, so I put a bird. So just put him right there like that, or down a bit. Little heart can pop out the side like that. Right, and I'll just glue him down with a glue stick because oops, I glued it down without wrinkling it too much. Right, it's down here right at the bottom of our page. Just get that little glue down as well. Right, my husband, he's just got up, absolutely amazed because it's 5:30. He's been in bed for quite a few hours, so I guess we'll be having a late night tonight. Right, I better add my last prompt. Add mag picture. Alright, prompts, and I only just made that one when I was taking out the double ups last time, so that was cool. Anyway, I'm very happy with that. What's looking like? Right, now, write the date on it. Oh, excuse me. Next, and it is the 15th right on this of the 4th 18. I should get my stamp out, is what I should do. Never mind. There we are. And I will put the prompts in the down bar. Thank you for being with me. Kia kaha, stay strong, and I'll catch you again soon.